On this forgotten patch of land, I found a piece of history that time left behind. This Moskvich 401, a symbol of a bygone era, has been sitting untouched for 26 years. It looks like it was parked here one day and simply forgotten, claimed by dust, rust, and decay. To most, it's just a pile of scrap metal, a useless relic. But for me, it's a mission. I decided to bring it back to the workshop and begin the painstaking process of revival. Every step was a question: the seized engine, the petrified rubber, the wiring eaten by rodents. With every nut broken loose and every component cleaned, a glimmer of hope returned. Maybe, just maybe, this Soviet-era classic could breathe fire once more. Will this legend from the past roar back to life after a 26-year slumber? This is the journey of bringing a Moskvich 401 back from the dead. As you can see on the test drive, it's running, but it's far from right. There are issues, lots of them, that need to be addressed. This was just the awakening. The real work begins now. In the next episode, we'll dive into the upgrades and repairs to make this Moskvich not just run, but run strong and reliable. This story isn't just about grease and gasoline. It's about reclaiming a forgotten icon. Stay tuned for the next phase.